Kasorkar ka klembe nile benyi ki Nongdie Madan, Hynrei kalapen Biang da ka Jaka Nongdie jingdi ka bakham Biang rengkat bat ka song jingera pisa na ka benta jongki. Ong usumbut Menteri Rangba badai pej ketenat Urban Affairs ba Sniawbhalang Dhar. Hak jingkran bat kilat patai Khubor uba Sniawbhalang ula ong ru ba kani ka jingle jong ka sorkar kalong na ka benta ban wanra ka jingkeluj bat ka jing itenat ya ka nongba. Uba Sniawbhalang ulay thu baka sorkar na kapor sa kapor kajukendu bat kinong di Madan bat kalas ngap ru ya kajing pensngau jongki la kalong hakabahede bat kajaka bat na lor kiwe kiwe.
Don't worry, government will do its own job. We are just doing the enforcement drive to place and put our people in the right direction. Because we are trying our best from the government, which is in line with the court order. And you know very well that we are aware, all of us are one that our city should be neat and clean. Yes, we have to respect the pedestrian footpath, but that we move along the road, and we want to clean and keep the city in the right direction. So, and we as government, we are trying to do in such a manner that we are not throwing our people. We are giving a schemes and put them into the good places. You know very well the Moda, which is very right place for the commercial. Yes, previously they request us, don't put us into the where there is no commercial purpose, so we accept it and we do as per the request, and we are doing our own job. I think we have good Moda. I don't think so they will be against it. Slowly they will be in line with us. That is my request also at the same time. Sure, all the hawker will be placed in the right position one day. Yes, maybe one time, one shot is not so easy for us, but we are trying to see and help our hawker in such a manner that maybe not to the mark as they want, but we are trying to do the best from the government side.